Political temperatures are very high in the state of Bihar. The nomination window for phase 2 of polling will end on October 20th. Now, the tussle in the Mahagathbandhan remains unresolved. They're adding to the opposition's woes. Congress and RJD are now locked in head-on fights across at least 7 seats. In a political jolt to the Mahagathbandhan, the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha has broken ranks, walking out of the alliance and announcing it will contest 6 border seats solo. Here's a news report. Take a look.
One of the key states in the Hindi heartland is gearing up for elections. But the main challenger, Mahagathbandhan, remains bitterly split over seat sharing. Congress, RJD and Left are now locked in head-on fights in multiple seats. Now, the first one is the Vaishali seat, where it is the Congress versus RJD. They are at loggerheads. And the second one is the Lalganj seat, where it is Congress versus RJD face-off. The third seat is Gauraboram seat, where it is the RJD versus VIP. And the fourth one is the Rosera seat, where it is the CPI versus Congress face-off. Now, the next one is the Raja Pakar seat, where CPI-ML is facing off Congress at this seat. The next seat is the Bihar Sharif seat, where it is the CPI versus Congress. Now, the last one, the 7th seat, is the Jale seat, where it is the Congress versus RJD. So, the Congress and RJD are at loggerheads. And remember, this is the third seat. The Jale seat is the third seat, where the Congress and RJD are at loggerheads. So, if you talk about coalition, this does not really seem like coalition. Instead, it feels like collision within the Mahagathbandhan allies. Not just the alliance partners, but the cracks are surfacing within the party ranks. High drama unfolded at Rabri's residence in Patna. RJD netas who were denied tickets staged dharna outside Lalu home, tore their clothes and alleged kickbacks for tickets.
सरकार नहीं बनेगा इसका, ये 25 को बस्ती बढ़ जाएगा लालू तेजस्वी यादव। क्यों? ये बहुत घमंडी है। अरे भेंट नहीं करता है लोगों से, भेंट करता है किसी से? या 5000, अरे टिकट तो सब बांटता है, जदयू बांटता है, भाजपा बांटता है, कहीं भीड़ देखता है, कहीं भी है। लालू यादव गुरु है हमारा, हम मर जाएंगे।
मैं एक लालू का बेटी जैसे मेरा पिता है, लालू जी तेजस्वी भैया है। हमसे कोई पैसा नहीं मांगे, लेकिन इतना जरूर कहेंगे जो पैराशूट से आए और ड्रोन कमरा से लेकर टिकट लेकर उड़ गया, उसका अफसोस है मुझे। कच करता मेरे जैसे गरीब आदमी को टिकट नहीं मिला।
The Congress party, which saw a brawl among its workers over tickets, is now witnessing growing discontent. Sitting Congress MLA Afaq Alam, upset over the denial of his ticket, claimed rampant bribery for tickets.
कि राजेश राम जी और अल्लाह वरू साहब, शकील खान साहब और साइड में कुछ और हैं लोग जो पैसे का उगाही करके वैसे वैसे लोगों को बनाया, जो महागठबंधन को गंदा करने का काम किया है, उसका जांच का हम मांग करना चाहते हैं।
In a political jolt to the Mahagathbandhan, the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha has broken ranks, walking out of the alliance and announcing it will contest 6 border seats solo.
आज बिहार में भी हमारे लोग जो है, हमारे सीमावर्ती क्षेत्रों में हमारा जो जनाधार है, वहां जलवा दिखता, इंडिया गठबंधन और मजबूती के साथ सामने आता अगर हम साथ रहेंगे तो। लेकिन हमें दरकिनार किया गया, कहीं न कहीं इसका नुकसान भारतीय इंडिया गठबंधन को।
As the infighting in the opposition bloc continues, Modi is set to begin the Bihar election campaign from the village of Jannayak, Karpuri Thakur.
कर्पूरी ठाकुर जी को जननायक ये सोशल मीडिया की ट्रोल करने वाली टीम ने नहीं बनाया। कर्पूरी ठाकुर को जननायक बिहार के जन जन ने बनाया। ये जननायक पद कर्पूरी ठाकुर से ही शोभायमान है।
With less than 3 weeks for Bihar polls, can divided Mahagathbandhan take on the NDA juggernaut? Bureau Report, India Today.